Hey guys, what's going on? I haven't done one of these in a little bit. I haven't been on here in a while. I've been super busy. I've had couple things going on with me. So I had a viewer request a while back when I did the Mother's Day project to do something like a birdhouse or a bird feeder or something kind of concealable, something nice and small. It looks about the same. So today, as you can see, I've been a little bit busy. We designed this little area to kind of have a little workshop on some wood projects. So I'm going to take some of the scrap from that project and I'm going to put a little bird feeder together for you guys. So I hope you enjoy what I do today. All right, so first things first, we're going to make a couple 11-inch cuts here. And then we're going to have to make a couple 5-inch cuts with a 45-degree angle on them. And then we'll get our final cut from there after we put everything together. So let's get started here. All right, get this first 11-incher out of the way. And I always love the smell of cedar, I'll tell you what. So I'm going to use a fresh board for my, I'm going to have to cut this other 11. I'm going to have to cut just a hair off of it because I want my measurements to be about the same. So I'm going to kill about a 1/2 inch off this board. That way, I'll show you in just a second. When I nail these together, I want it to be the same on both sides. This is going to be my roof. There's the roof. Set it over here. All right, so here's the fun part. We gotta get this 45 together. Get this thing moved over here. All right, now when we cut this 45, we want 5 inches at our long point here. We'll mark it 5. We got our first one done. Now that we got a 45 on this one, we can turn it back straight. Right there. Flip this over and get our other 5 inches. Just like that. All right, now I'll meet you back over at the work table. All right, so now we got all of our pieces over here, so-called work table. We're gonna put these together. As you can see, we got one that's a little bit longer than the other. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna take these and we're gonna nail them together, just like this. It's gonna be our little roof. Okay, first we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a little bit of glue. Toss it on the end here, just a little bit. Nice and easy with it. And then we're going to take a brad gun, pop a couple brads in it. Nice and simple. Get it there, it's nice and flush. Just like that. Now the important thing here is we don't miss. Get a little bit of support. Just like that. All right, now we want to make sure that we got the same measurement in both ends. I'm gonna grab my tape measure real quick. And we had to burn that inch. So just like that, we got 11 and 11. Perfect. All right, so here, these 45s, I'll show you why we cut them. I'll put a little bit of glue here. And then we're gonna put these on the end like this. Right here. Board's a little curved, but it'll be okay. That's why we're using scrap, right? Get our brad gun. Don't miss. If anybody wants to know, I'm shooting inch and an eighth. A couple more up here just to. All right. Now do the same thing on this side. Nice and gooped around. Alright, that looks good. So as you can see, why we did that, those 45s right there is we got a place to put a board right here to be the bottom for the bird feed. So what we want to do here is we want to get that measurement, which we got about 7.5 inches. So I'm not gonna move the camera or anything, I'm just gonna go hit this board real quick. 7.5. A little bit of glue. What you'll notice is when you put this board in here, if you want, like this is gonna be just a little bit longer than what your board width is. If you want, you can put it up to the top. Me, I like to keep it flush down low, just for aesthetic purposes, because in reality, you're gonna have little birds kind of getting stuff out of here and they're not gonna care what the inside looks like. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna cover it up here in a second too. So let's get it in here and get a brad in it. That way it stays. And then we'll get this side real quick and then completely nail her down. Oop, pushed her out a little too far. A couple taps. There we go. Couple taps. There we go. And just like that, got you a nice little bird feeder. So all we're gonna do to keep the food in is we're gonna put a couple things on the front here and make it look nice and neat. So let's see, do a little measurement. We got about 11 inches, let's see, 12 and a half. Let's do 14. Let's do 14. We got 14 over here, pencil. Yeah, we got 14, perfect. Alright, so just for giggles, I'm gonna plug this thing in real quick and we're gonna rip this sucker down. That way we got two 14s. What we got here? 5 1/2, 2 3/4. So I'm gonna set this on 2 3/4. Oh no, he didn't use a pusher. What are you, the cops? No, I'm just kidding. All right. Let's see how this looks. Do we want to put something? Tell you what. I'm thinking we cut a nice little deal. Let's keep it right here. Right there. And we mark it right here. And we're gonna mark it right here. And then we'll take our speed square and knock some of this off of it. We'll do the same thing for this one, just because we want it to be the same on both sides, right? And the cool thing about doing stuff like this is that everything you make is unique and one of a kind, and people like that. I like it for sure. I tend to shoot from the hip on most of the things that I build and create because it's from me, not from anybody else. Let me whack these off real quick. I could have used a bandsaw, but hey, this is a lot quicker. What? Look at these little things. They're probably perfect for a little perch, huh? So now we're gonna put these on here, like so. Line them up. Let's take these little things and put them out here like that. Let's see, what do we got? There we go, there's, you know, 6, so let's do 8 and 4. Where's that Brad gun at? What do we got in this Brad gun? Oh, we got some little bitty ones in here. Let's use this 23 gauge. Or shall I say my AR-15, how about it? And I didn't glue it, it'll be all right. Glue the next one, if I can find the glue. Somewhere. Where did I put the glue at? Oh well, right there. Ooh. Check this thing on right now. Come back and pop it here in just a minute, but there you have it. How about that? Let's grab that other piece and do the same thing. Now that we're right here. About that. Improvise all the time. Alright. So I take this box and put it right there like that. Oh, of course I would forget to do the glue on that side, but hey, it's okay. It's just a bird feeder. All right, so there you have it. Made completely out of scrap from the project we got right here. Nice little bird feeder. We go hang it up, fill it full of bird feed, and watch them come in and eat all day long. Make somebody happy watching birds. So hope you guys like what I did. As always, I appreciate everybody watching my videos and commenting. If there's anything else anybody wants to see, just let me know. Be more than happy to put something on here for you and show you. That lady from Denmark, hey, you decide you want one of these, let me know, we'll get it to you. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good day. Oh, and by the way, go check out my merch store. There's some good stuff in there. Have a good one.